it apart.
Does your
Memory refrain
to a brighter summer day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in the parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there?
Is your heart filled with pain?
Shall I
Come back again.
Tell me, dear,
Are you lonesome tonight?
No. Hey, everybody. How you doing? I don't know why I was singing that song. It's kind of a silly song. Mm-hmm. I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. And now the stage is bare. And I'm standing there without any hair. Oh, jeez. So what are we going to talk about today? What do you think, honey? What should the show be about?
I don't know. It's your show today.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Well, hey, everyone. Welcome to the show. This is the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And, we always teach an Ojibwe word of the day. Mm-hmm. Sometimes Nana BOOZHOO tells stories. Mm-hmm. And the snow is really coming down, isn't it, honey?
It sure is.
Hikes. Should that be the Ojibwe word of the day?
Whatever you think.
ZOOGIPON. Great snow. Mm. Oh, ZOOGIPON, it's snowing. Hikes. We should go to Walmart.
Yeah, I know. We should go before. Or we could just let the snow fly and walk there.
Yeah, okay. You want to get all bundled up and go get some coffee?
Yeah, let's go walk around in a storm.
All right. Okay, well, that's enough for the show. I'm losing my hat. So just want to say, oh, by the way, thank you so much. Want to say miigwech to our supporters of the show, to the Patreon supporters who pay every month.
Yeah.
We really appreciate you. So, thank you for making the show possible. Really, I mean, we couldn't do it without them, huh, honey?
That's right.
And and for this Christmas, if you'd like to order some books, we've got a link down here somewhere, to Amazon.com. And you can get some Ojibwe language children's books by Michael Lyons. Okay, well, hey, all right. Well, with that, I want to say miigwech bizadawiag. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again.
Gigawabamin!
Minawa! Oh! All right, should we go for that walk?
Oh, you know it.
See you later.